This is a Raspberry Pi computer equipped with one of its many available accessories, a 7-inch display. We can install the Raspbian operating system onto this device and have it boot into the desktop as normal. It's also possible to install some of our favorite home videos onto the Raspberry Pi and have it play them automatically, thereby creating a video picture frame that always shows us our best-loved memories. We achieve this functionality using free applications from Membrane software. First, we download the Membrane Monitor application and write it to the Raspberry Pi's SD card. With Membrane Monitor in place, the Raspberry Pi can accept our commands for video playback. Then, we open the Membrane Control interface. Using this control interface, we can browse thumbnails of our video collection, as well as issue playback commands to any number of Raspberry Pi computers running Membrane Monitor. We can create a playlist of our favorite videos and have the monitor cycle or shuffle through them. Video streams can be copied to the Raspberry Pi as long as there's enough storage available, which allows our picture frame to play these videos even when it's offline and the source media library is no longer available. From here, we can easily make more video picture frames using any other Raspberry Pi devices that we might have lying around. We simply copy the original Raspberry Pi's SD card image onto a set of fresh SD cards for use by these other Raspberry Pis. This time, we'll connect to a standalone screen instead of using the Raspberry Pi touchscreen display. And we can get all of the screens going at once for the full effect. Of course, this process works with any type of video, not just dog videos. Whatever it is you're into, these Raspberry Pis will continue playing your videos forever, as long as they're connected to power, naturally. I hope you've enjoyed this look at how free applications from Membrane software can help you make video picture frames. To find application downloads and more information, visit our website at mbrn.tech. Until next time, enjoy the technology and have a great day.